Now we are in the Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura is the first capital city in Sri Lanka, starting 6th century BC, 2600 years ago. And at that time, no any ancient buildings, no Dagaba, no Buddha statue, no Bodhi tree, no monastery, just only the capital. And everything is starting in after the Buddhism, in 3rd century BC. Yesterday I will explain to you a story of the Mihintale and Buddhism, and after story starting every buildings in Anuradhapura. At that time in here living 120 kings rule around here. Living some Tamil kings, Buddhist king and Tamil kings. They will destroy it. In Tamil king, Hindu king, they will destroy it. Then again coming Buddhist king, they will develop one or rebuild. This area we want to have see the many things. More than 44 places. Lot of buildings. I will show you important places in here. In Anuradhapura have a 3 monastery complex. Now we are stay here close to the big Dagaba that we call Jetavana. That monastery we call Jetavana. First monastery is Great Monastery. Great Monastery area live in 2000 Buddhist monks. 3rd century BC to 1st century AD, 300 years, live in 2000 Buddhist monks. And this area 1st century AD to 3rd century AD, 300 years, this area live in 3000 Buddhist monks. In last monastery we call Abhayagiriya Monastery. That area live in 5000 Buddhist monks. 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD to 10th century AD, 700 years that live in 5000 Buddhist monks. All this area live in 10,000 Buddhist monks. This is huge area, more than 3000 acres this land. Have an arms hall, inscription, Bodhi tree, Buddha statue, many Dagaba. More than 12 Dagaba around the here. I will show you important Dagaba. This is we call Jetavana. That Dagaba done by 2nd century AD. That means 1800 years ago. Was one of great king. We call his name King Mahasen. King Mahasen, he will done by this Dagaba. Inside have a relic of our Lord Buddha. Inside have a belt of the Buddha. Belt relic. In every Dagaba have a kind of part of the body, and our Lord Buddha using something that inside have there. At ancient period, this Dagaba more than 400 feet higher. 400 feet. Now have a 232 feet. That all destroyed.
So it's been rebuilt a few times.
Yes. That built this Dagaba using million of the bricks. Before was the plaster. You can see there's some plaster there. Now no plaster. In our government in this day they are trying to make not that one, in other one try to make the white like yesterday Dagaba. In our Buddhist monk they say you don't do that. Because normally in like this we have an antique. We make the painting white, not antique, looks like a new. So we can go and we can see this Dagaba.
Wow. We saw this one.
This is new, not very old, like 80, 85 years old. And they have a different kind of kings and some ministers. Their development is Dagaba. Time to time rebuild and repairing. That's why I have a lot of ministers. So that is we call Dragon Arch. Dragon Arch. They have a god Ganesh and some people, and you can see that animal looks like a crocodile.
With an elephant.
Yeah, they have 7 parts of the animals. Crocodile mouth, elephant trunk, monkey eye, here is pig, lion leg, peacock tail, fish belly. 7 parts of the animals. So this is the one of position our Lord Buddha we call Parinirvana position. Parinirvana, here you can see the fingers that the statue always have like this. That we call resting position, reclining Buddha. And our Buddha, he know his time going to pass away, he will sleep. After few minutes, he is going to pass away. Every statue you can see like this or sometime like this, not this position.
Okay.
You can see, madam, this one.
Yeah.
Before the eating, they will get in 11:30 in lunch in Buddhist monk. Before they get, he will offer to the Lord Buddha. That same foods they will get to lunch. That we call Buddha Puja.
So this is the hand.
Last 4 Buddhas called So this is place we call Watadage. Watadage, there you can see they have a kind of rooms here, and before they make the roof also bricks, like a caves. That is the biggest, you can see the door frame.
Oh wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
that very high.
Yes.
That is the biggest door frame in the Sri Lanka. And there before was there in Dagaba, there was a kind of jewelry or ornaments, heavy more than like elephants. That we call in Sinhalese in Atek Barata. Atek Barata means heavy than elephant. That ornaments or jewelry keep it in over there.
In here,
Yes.
like a safe.
Yes. That put in here and cloth. That is we call relic chamber.
So inside this is like this too.
Yes,
A relic chamber.
yes. That in big Dagaba, every Dagaba inside have a relic chamber. They have a in center, I will show you later, in center they put the Buddha relic, and that other parts put kind of things to the Hindu gods. Then after put to the inside. Shape of the Dagaba. Have a one in bell shape. One have a water bubble shape, pot shape, and rice paddy field, paddy hip shape. You know paddy hip? We cut in the rice in harvest. Before they get the seed, we make like that.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
That we call paddy hip shape.
Yeah.
That Dagaba we call lotus flower shape.
Mhm.
That they something like this. Before they make the petal of the lotus flower. That's the lotus flower shape. Some places image of
Imagine how busy it was.